What's going on, guys? Ron John here, back with another video. Today's video is going to be on my 2015 Chevy Silverado that I got when I traded in my Jeep Wrangler that I had. As you can see in previous videos that I uploaded. Yeah, so today I'll just be telling you a little bit about my 2015 Silverado and everything that I've done to it. So here we go. Alright guys, so here's the truck. Do a little walk around real quick before I start talking about it. Again, there's a 2015 Chevy Silverado 1500. Now I guess I'll just start down the list. I made a little list. First thing I got on here is I got a 2-inch level kit. When I got it, it really wasn't level, so now it's kind of level me out. Second thing I got on here is I bought a stud, kind of the half antenna, and I bought it and it didn't come with an antenna, and I really didn't want the long one, so I went with the stud antenna. I like the look. The third thing I got on my list is I bought a full-size, low-profile cobalt toolbox. I really like the look of that. It goes great with the truck. Alright, fourth thing I got on my list is my wheels. Got some 20-inch Mayhem wheels. I really like the look of the wheels. I'm also running some Mayhems on my Ford Ranger over there, as you can see. And the tires that I have on here are 285 55/20, and this is the brand of the tires. Tires that I'm running. Nice little setup. The tires are actually 32.5. I wanted 33s. I wanted to run 33s, but my guy on the guy was like, 32.5. Yeah. I do have 1-inch wheel spacers on here also. Kind of give it a little stance, as you can see. Got a little stance. And the last thing I got on here is the tent. When I first got it, I got my 2 front windows to match the back, which are 20%. And probably about a few days ago, I got the back windshield. I was gonna get the back windshield 20% also, but I went on and got that 5%. Got that a little dark, and it actually made the rest of my windows a little darker. So yeah, the tent came out pretty good. I was pretty pleased with that. Whenever he got done with the back, and seeing how the rest of it and everything looked. And I think that's about it. That's everything that I got on my list. So you can see again, here she is, and all the stuff that I've done to it. And at the end of this video, I'll put some before and after pictures, so y'all can see what it looked like before when I first got it. Cause it was stock. I mean, didn't have nothing pretty much. Did everything to it. And I think this is about it. So yeah, guys, let me know what you think. Let me know what I should do next, maybe. And here she is, my 2015 Chevy Silverado. Alright guys, thanks. Like, comment, and subscribe.